Hi, today I'm going to show you how to very easily use pre-trained models. In other words, use transfer learning with PerceptiLabs. So what you see here is the overview page of PerceptiLabs where all of your projects are gathered. And here I have loaded a dataset for detecting wildfires already. So what I'm going to do today is just create a new model which takes you into the data wizard. And here you declare or define the problem that you want your model to solve. So here we have the input images, they are the inputs, and the labels, in other words the targets, what we want our model to learn. And when I press create here, PerceptiLabs will quickly generate a recommended baseline model for you so you can get up and running instantly. So now we're letting PerceptiLabs recommend a baseline model for us. And it takes us into the modeling tool, and here we can see the workspace with our model. These are the different components of the model. For example, we have a convolutional layer here, and we can check out the different feature maps to get an understanding of how the data is being transformed, and we can see the architecture here, the different output dimension. It's very easy to use. Another quick thing with PerceptiLabs as well, if you haven't noticed it before, is that it's interactive. So if I change, for example, the activation function here from reload to sigmoid, we instantly see how the model is being updated, which makes it a bit more intuitive than sitting in just code. And if you disagree, please let me know in the comments. So what I'm going to do today is, as I said, show you how to use transfer learning. So what I do is that I simply remove this connection between the input images and the first component, and from this drop down I select one of the pre-trained models that comes with PerceptiLabs, and let's use, for example, VGG, which is a great model. And then I just simply connect here the different input and the output, and we can see how this model or pre-trained model transfers the data so that this convolutional model looks quite different now. The output looks quite different from what we saw before. And this is because this is a feature extractor. I'm going to keep it so it's not trainable. Just use it to extract the feature because it has been trained before. And from this, I just press run and I would use transfer learning right away. And that's how simple it is. Thank you very much for listening today.